I first want to say thank you to everyone who stopped by the channel, whether you're brand new or you've been with me for a while. I genuinely hope that this becomes a long-term relationship. This channel is here to educate and inspire, especially around low-carb living and metabolic health. Why? Because I think improving your metabolic health will spill over into every area of your life. I have worn a lot of hats: a wife, a mom, a sister, an aunt, a friend, and one day, I hope to be a grandmother. Professionally, I'm a physical therapist, a professor emerita, a primal health coach, and now I feel like I could call myself a YouTuber. Each of these roles shapes the content that I create. But here's my secret: I've learned the most from my patients, my students, my clients, and now from you. I am pouring myself into this channel, researching, filming, editing. What the hell was an SEO? Well, I figured that out. Designing thumbnails, you name it. It's good for my brain as I retire. And I'm doing it while staying true to the foundations of health that I teach. Sleep well, eat well, move daily, get sunlight. It's been raining all day. I finally came out tonight to get some, and then connect with others. Now that the likes, dislikes, comments, and subscribers are growing, it finally feels like a relationship, and that's what excites me the most. As a professor, I live by the quote, "The teacher appears when the student is ready." My own transition to carnivore didn't happen overnight. I was 6 years into keto before I even considered it. The timing was right. I was ready. So the change came smoothly, not like my cold turkey keto start. In the classroom, students could say anything, challenge a test question a policy I made, even complain about me, as long as they did it respectfully. That's the kind of open dialogue I hope we foster here on this channel. And the comments, I love them. Whether they're encouraging or critical, there is always something for me to learn. One person called my 3-day carnivore challenge cute. Listen, I'll take cute any day of the week. And another person offered more thoughtful feedback, suggesting I wouldn't see the real benefits in such a short time. And honestly, they're both right. That lit a fire under my butt. They laid down the gauntlet, and if you know me, you know I'm going to pick it up. So I'm extending the challenge. I don't know for how long, but I'm extending it. I love being a physical therapist and a coach because I get to treat people, not just diseases. And one of my favorite quotes comes from the movie Patch Adams. If you treat a disease, you win or you lose. But if you treat a person, I guarantee you win no matter what the outcome. And that sort of captures how I approach things as a coach and a physical therapist in this channel. And that's what I want it to be about. Whether you're just getting started or you're deep into carnivore, I'll meet you where you are. And maybe low carb, maybe you're low carb curious, maybe ketovore, or maybe carnivore. It's all part of the spectrum. And we can learn from each other. I think this is one of the best times to start low carb. For years, we were judged for eating this way, but now the cracks in the system are showing, finally, and nutrition and health crises are finally being exposed. My brother has helped me to understand another kind of crisis: addiction. He's a recovering meth addict of 25 years and has 25 plus years clean and deeply involved in his recovery and others. And I always joke with him that he talks in bumper stickers, short and sticky, but they stick for a reason. He has one for every situation. I should do a podcast with him. But one of his early sponsors, who was very impactful, told him, Jim, if you're trying, you're dying. Well, that sounds really harsh, doesn't it? But it was exactly what he needed to hear. He had tried for years and he was running out of time. He didn't need to try anymore. He needed to do. That quote has stayed with me, especially as I work with people who are facing serious metabolic issues. So maybe you're not just trying to lose a few pounds. Maybe you're battling type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease, or autoimmune issues. And maybe for you, it's not about trying anymore. Maybe it's time for you to do. Not perfectly, but purposefully, with action and with intention and with hope, because you are worth it. So thank you for being here, for listening, for watching, for commenting, and for growing with me. This isn't just my channel, it's our space. One last quote from the Patch Adams movie. You're focusing on the problem. If you focus on the problem, you can't see the solution. Never focus on the problem. So that's what we are going to try to work on in this channel, the solution. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and share this with someone who needs to know that they're not alone, that there is hope, and that their health is worth the effort. And remember, this channel isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Not about trying harder, but about doing the next right thing. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for all your support.